This photo of the sun is so absurdly detailed that it looks like a living organism. Ordinarily, taking a telescope and pointing it at the sun would be incredibly dangerous. Famed astrophotographer Andrew McCarthy has truly outdone himself with his latest picture of the sun. He calls himself a normal guy with a telescope. That's a good name for a YouTube channel. Oh, it's an Instagram account. He stitched a whopping 150,000 images of the sun together to form a massive 300 megapixel image he titled Fire and Fusion. Wow. Show me the photo. Damn. That's sick. That is very cool. Oh, how much for the NFT?
Well, he does have prints that's selling, so he's going old school.
I would easily take a print of that. That is so cool. Look at that energy bundle.
If you look,
wow,
I guess far away, it kind of looks like maybe like a cell or something. Like even like the
So
biggest things
cool,
could be
dude.
interpreted as something really small as well.
That is incredible. So detailed.
But he got the exposure right and everything, and
So hard.
Yeah.
Oh, look, you want the full size? It's on his Patreon, linked in his highlights. You can grab a print via the link in my bio for a limited time. Digital downloads now available on my website if you want to print this yourself. Seems like a friendly guy.
yes, and he kind of detailed how he took the photos, and apparently it's incredibly dangerous
Yes.
to do so because pointing your telescope at the sun produces crazy amount of heat that could damage your telescope and cause blindness.
Oh,
as
yeah.
well.
Oh, yeah, dude. Don't you remember when you're a kid? Don't look at the sun.
Yeah,
And here you are magnifying it.
exactly. Yeah.
You crazy, you scoundrel. But, I mean, he did it, man. He pulled it off, whatever techniques were necessary. I mean, we goof around in here like, hey, we got zebras on that. Is that overexposed? Imagine pointing at the sun instead of, I mean, this ceiling ain't nothing.
Yeah.
Compared to the sun. It all comes from the sun. All of it. You come from the sun. Well, you ain't nothing without it.
Stardust. I get it. Yeah.
Let's grab a print or something.
I will.
Digital download.
Yeah.
Old school. Art. Go see it in an art gallery.
Oh, yeah. I'll be down for that.
We'll just buy the NFT.
All right.